In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off motion blur here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, obviously make your way through the tutorials here in Arc Raiders and get to the main menu section where you're going to see a little settings gear down in the bottom right corner. Simply go ahead and select that little settings gear and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is actually just go over to the graphics tab up in the very top and scroll down, and what you're looking for is the specific graphics settings right here. Go ahead and find the option for motion blur and just select it once to disable it. There's only two options, enabled or disabled. Tick it to disabled, and when you back out, it's going to automatically apply. And now whenever you load into a game, that motion blur is no longer going to take effect. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more Arc Raider videos and settings guides. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.